I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you want to disable biometric login for your BMO bank app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the BMO bank app. Launch the BMO bank app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security or Security Settings option. This is where you can manage your login methods. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling biometric login, make sure to exit the settings and log out of the app. When you log back in, it should prompt you for your password instead of using biometrics. Disabling biometric login is a straightforward process, and it gives you more control over your account security. If you run into any issues, just double check that you've saved your settings before logging out. Happy banking!